Hello friends, today we are going to speak about 15th August Independence Day speech. It's very simple, easy and unique 10 lines. Easily we can start now. So first point is we have to greet our teachers and friends. So we will say like good morning teachers and friends. Today is a happy day. Today we celebrate India's Independence Day. On this day, India became free and got its own government. Freedom fighters gave their lives so we can live free today. India's flag flies high with pride in every corner of our country. Our national bird is peacock and national animal is tiger. India is famous for its festivals, food and colorful culture. We must always respect our flag and our country. Small children like me will make India even better one day. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you everyone for listening to me. Let us always love, respect and make our India proud. Jai Hind! If you liked my Independence Day speech, please like, share and subscribe. And comment below Jai Hind!